Bagalkot for mathematics class of standard 7th. See students, in the previous class already I explained you and also have done some graph plotting problems. Okay, how to plot the bar graph for the given data. Okay, that all you understood. The next topic in this chapter, that is the last topic of this chapter, data handling, is probability. First we will understand what is the meaning of probability, and then we can go for the exercise also, very small exercise, so that you can understand easily and do it. Say, probability is nothing but chance to happen. Chance means what? May or may not. Sometimes say, if the weather is cloudy, what we will assume? We will say that, no, it is cloudy, no, it may rain. We will assume it. Sometimes it will rain, sometimes it will not rain. Okay, that is a probability. There are two chances of our probability. We will assume that it will rain, but sometimes it will not rain. Okay, this is what probability, chance of happening. It's a chance. And you know that when there is cricket match, we'll just whose will be the first batting. That time nobody will say, I will say mine, and the opponent group may say, no, we will bat first. So what they will do? They will toss the coin. You know tossing. And then before that they will be saying, okay, if head comes or tail comes, like that decision will be there. If who will get the head, no, they have to take up the first batting. Okay. See now, if the coin is tossed, how many possibilities are there? The coin may have the head also, tail also. There are two possibilities. Okay, that is probability. Two possibilities or possible outcomes. Possible outcomes. How many possible outcomes are there when we toss the coin? When we toss the coin like this, the possible outcomes are either head or tail. See, when we toss the coin, you may get either head upside or the tail upside. Here how many possibilities are there? Two possibilities. Total possibilities or the total possible outcomes are two. But at one time or at a time, how many will get? At a time we cannot get head and tail. No. At a time I may get either head or tail. The possible outcomes are, or the probability of tossing the coin is 1 by 2. What is this 1 by 2? Out of two possible outcomes, at a time one will come. Yes, either it may be head or tail. Out of two, one is outcome. What is the total number of possible outcomes? Possible outcomes are 2. Either it may head or tail. Total 2 are there. Then at a time when we toss, it may come either head or tail. That means any one will come. So 1 by 2 is the probability of tossing a coin. I hope you are following. The same way, I think you know the dice. The playing dice you may be knowing now, like this it will be. The square faced. This is dice. Okay. On that numbers will be there. Here 1, 2, 3 and backside 4, 5, 6 faces will be there. So 6 numbers will be there. When you play the snake and ladder, you know it. You are just playing like this. Top one number will come. That number only we are taking as the reference and we will move front or back or according to your game you will play it. Okay. So that means here what are the total possible outcomes here? 6. Why I have written here 6? When we play with the dice, on the top we may get any one number, either 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6. So which are the possible outcomes here? Either 1 or 2, not comma here, or it is, or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6. Any one will get. But total how many are there? 6 are there. Now I am predicting, or I am just assuming. Predicting means what? Assuming. What are the possible outcome of even numbers? Even numbers, how many even numbers are here? 2, 4, 6 are there. So that is probability for that is 3 by 6. 3 by 6. Totally how many even numbers are there? 3 are there. 2, 4, 6. Okay. When we toss the dice or when we play with the dice, what are the probability? That is 1 by 6. Why 1 by 6? When we play, one number will come on the top. That is 1 by 6 the probability of that. So this is what probability. On this base we are going to have one small exercise. We will do that one now. Exercise 3.4. So the first one you have to just say whether certain to happen and can happen but not certain and impossible. Like these 3 options are there. You have to choose that one what it is. So first one you have to take the question. Exercise 3.4. Okay. First see. Tell whether the following is certain to happen. Certain to happen means definitely it will happen. Okay. Impossible. No, it's not possible. Next, can happen but not certain. It will happen but not certain. I gave you the example. Today it may rain. By seeing the cloudy environment or cloudy atmosphere, we may assume. But it may happen but not certain. Can happen but not certain. Like that you have to answer for the following. Some statements are there. See first one. You are older today than yesterday. Yes. Today I am older than yesterday. This is what? Out of 3 which one? Certain to happen. Yes. Tomorrow again older than today. So you have to write the first statement. You are older today. You are older today than yesterday. Than yesterday. What is the answer for this? Yes. This is certain to happen. Certain to happen. Okay. Then second one. A tossed coin will. A tossed coin. A tossed coin will land heads up. Land heads up. Okay. A tossed coin will land heads up. No, we can't say. It may come tail also. So what it is? What is the answer? Impossible. Or can happen but not certain. Which one will come? Yes. Can happen. It can happen. Heads up but not certain. But not certain. Like this you have to write the answers for that. Third one. A die when tossed. A die when tossed, shall land up, shall land up, shall land up with 8 on top, with 8 on top. See, when the die is tossed, shall land up with 8 on top. 8 will come on the top certainly? No, can happen but not certain. Okay, it may come but it is not certain. So what is the answer? Can happen, can happen but not certain. Okay, then the fourth one, the next traffic light seen will be green. The next traffic light seen will be green. Will be green. So this is also can happen but not certain. So this is fourth one. Fourth one, the next traffic light seen will be green. So what we can say? Can happen but not certain. This also can happen but not certain. Certainly we cannot assume it. It may come green light or not. Okay. Then next, tomorrow will be a cloudy day. Tomorrow will be a cloudy day. How can you say? We cannot say. Tomorrow it may be cloudy or it may not be cloudy. So what answer we can say here? We cannot predict like that. So this also can happen but not certain. Can happen but not certain. So like this you have to predict the things. These all are the answers. You have to write. This is the first main. Now the second main, see, there are 6 marbles in a box. There are 6 marbles. You know marbles means what? With the numbers from 1 to 6 marked on each of them. On the marbles 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 it is written. What is the probability of drawing a marble with number 2? When we take marble, one marble I am taking. What is the possibility of drawing a marble with number 2? There is one possibility. When we take now, only 2 will come, once only come, only one time. That is 1 out of how many possible outcomes? Possible outcomes are 6. In that, what is the our probability? 1 by 6. So how to write the answers? You see here. This is first main. First main, you have to take the question and these all are the answer. Now the second main, first one. Second main, first one you have to write the question. Now I am writing the answer. Total possible outcomes. Total possible outcomes. How many are there? 6. Because when we take 1, it may be 3. Next we will take, it may be 1. Next we will take, it may be 4. Next we will take, it may be 6. Next one will take, it may be 5. Next will take, it may be 2. So how many possible outcomes? 6. So then therefore what is the probability of 2? Therefore probability of which number they asked? Probability of drawing a marble with number 2. Probability of drawing a marble with number 2 is equal to just 1 by 6 is the answer. This is the first one. Same way, what is the probability of drawing a marble with number 5? Same. Second one also. What are the total possible outcomes? Total possible outcomes is equal to 6. Therefore, probability of drawing a marble with number 5 is nothing but that also same, 1 by 6. Okay. Then the third main, a coin is flipped. You know coin. Flipping the coin. Flip it to decide which team starts the game. What is the probability that your team will start? What is the probability for that? Same like this only. This is third main. First what you have to write? Total possible outcomes. Total possible outcomes for the coin. How many are there? 2 will be there. Either head or tail. Okay. Then therefore probability of what? Probability of the team which starts first. Probability of team which can start the game first. The game first is equal to 1 by 2. Anyone will come? Which they are assuming? That one. 1 by 2 is the probability of team which can start the game first is 1 by 2. This is what the exercise 3.4 also finished, and the whole chapter is finished now. What you have to do? You have to solve exercise. Homework is exercise 3.4, and in the fair note up to here you have to complete it. After that, here what we discussed, you don't write this heading here. You have to write here heading points to remember. You have to write the heading here points to remember, and these all points you have to write. These all points, page number 76. These all points you have to write in the fair note. Then you conclude this chapter. Okay. This is what the third chapter. Now fourth already I completed it. Next chapter I am going to start is geometry. Okay. That is the fifth chapter, lines and angles. All of you keep your geometry fair note ready. Okay. All of you keep your geometry fair note. How it will be? Geometry fair note will be plain book. So keep ready. In the next class, in the next session, I am going to give you or going to start the geometry, that is chapter 5, lines and angles. Okay. Thank you for watching. Share and subscribe my channel.